I'm Hannah from Crunch Fitness Rockdale. I'm a personal trainer and WBFF bikini model. Today we're going to go over some of the exercises in my latest booty builder program. We're going to start with some activation exercises. It's really good to always activate the muscles that you're going to be working before you start training to make sure that they're the main focus of each movement. Finished our activations, we'll go downstairs and get started on the main resistance workout. While you're doing your hip thrust, make sure to turn your feet out and push through the heels of the feet. Also, when you come up, give your bum a nice big squeeze at the top and come slowly down. On your last rep, it's really good to hold it at the top for 10 seconds so that you really feel the burn in your bum. There's different ways that you can use the leg press. Today we're going to put our feet nice and high and wide. This way we're going to target the hamstrings and the glutes. I always like to finish my workouts with some ab exercises. Here's a few of my favourites.